This video is only for educational purpose. If you did anything illegal, only you will be responsible for it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to hide a text file in an image file. Before starting the video, I want you to subscribe my channel and please like the video. So let's start the video. Here is our files. We are going to hide the text file into the image file. So let's open the text file. Now create a folder named Steghide. Now move these files into the folder. Now open the terminal and login into the root. Type cd desktop and the folder name Steghide. Now ls. Now we are going to use Steghide tool to hide this text file into the image file. So type apt-get install Steghide. I have already installed it. So now type ls. Now here we need to type Steghide embed -cf means cover file and the image file name. Now -ef embed file and the text file name. Press enter. Now enter the passphrase. Now re-enter it. Now press enter. Now it is done. Type ls. Now we are going to delete this secret.txt file. So now we are going to extract the text file from this image file. So type Steghide extract -sf and the image file name and press enter. Now enter the passphrase. Now it is extracted. Now type ls. So here is our file. We are going to check is it the right file or wrong file. So type cat secret.txt. Now you can see the content is same. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are facing any issue, you can comment down. And if you want any other tool tutorial, you can also comment down. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.